Check out our licensed 24-volt battery electric Mercedes-Benz GLS 63. The great thing about our new Merc is it has 4 35-watt motors and 2 12-volt batteries, so not only is it more power and more comfortable than your regular ride-on car, but the battery will also last you longer. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, functioning horn, and a safety belt. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The all-wheel drive feature gives this car better traction off-road. The 2x12-volt batteries means the car will last longer. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks which are compatible with this car's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all of our ride-on cars. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free one-day delivery if you live in the UK and if you order before 1 PM.